So, since we've been taking this car to the track, it has always had this damage right here on the quarter panel and on the door. Today, some of that's going to change. Because we have two new doors that we're going to put on today.
Now the doors are only held on by 5 bolts, but to get to those 5 bolts, we're going to have to remove a bunch of stuff from the front of the car, including the front bumper cover and the front fenders. The new doors have significantly less damage on the outside, but the inside needs a little bit of cleaning up. With that bent piece cut off, the door can now fit a door card. The next step is to vacuum out all the broken glass, because I didn't exactly get the best maintained door in the junkyard. Since this car has no electronics in the door, at least not anymore, this is a very simple, straightforward swap. Just 5 bolts, no wires, no nothing. The new passenger door didn't have the locking mechanism, so I have to steal it from my old door. Starting to get rid of this damage is actually a big change for this car. That damage was the reason we started tracking this car in the first place. Before that, it was the car I owned since high school. It's the car that I had when I met my wife. It was the car that my 3 younger brothers all drove when they were in high school as well. It served us well, it's done a bunch of things, and now it's a race car. But now it's time for a new chapter in its life and a new look.
Well, this is it. This is the new look for the Yaris. The cracked egg that I was driving is no more. Say hello to the Point by Panda. Guys, thank you so much for watching. The next event of the TRD series is up at Laguna Seca. I'm really hoping this car is ready for that. Hopefully we'll take it to the track once or twice before then. Let's see what else we can do. Let's see what else we can get done before then, because I am definitely gonna be making another video.